powder coating process requires good grounding practices for two primary purposes: safety and efficiency. By grounding the system or providing a good quality connection to earth ground, electrons are allowed to flow easily between the system and the ground. This gives the part a neutral charge. So as the negatively charged powder particles get close to the part's surface, the negatively charged electrons within the part are repelled. This creates a positive charge on the item's surface, which attracts the powder. To put it simply, good ground is what makes powder attract and stick to the part. Good ground starts at the grounding rod, which is a copper-plated rod that is driven into the ground. Keep in mind that a grounding rod placed in the center of a building may need to be driven deeper to reach the moisture required for good ground. The grounding rod is connected to the system, conveyorized or batch, and then often through a rack or hook, and then to the part being coated. Each contact point should be regularly inspected for good metal-to-metal connection. The hooks are the most common cause for inefficient ground. As hooks are reused, they need to be cleaned to ensure good ground connection. A common practice is no more than 2 or 3 uses before needing to be cleaned. As ground is lost, so is the efficient transfer of powder to the part. You'll see decreases in mill thickness, and it will be more difficult to apply coatings in corners, angles, and Faraday cage areas. While first pass transfer efficiency is greatly affected with poor ground, you will really notice it on recoats and second coats, as the insulated part will struggle to attract any powder at all. Lastly, but most importantly, the powder coating process involves a fair amount of electricity, and the powder cloud produced is highly flammable. With the loss of good ground comes the risk of snapping, popping, and electrical arcing through the system components. A good ground is the best mitigation for creating a potential ignition source. There are also endless variables in the powder coating system, but the safest and most efficient powder coating operations will always benefit from proper grounding.